Okay, my name is Simon. Today we are going to have a look at how to configure the emergency voice alarm system software of ITC. First, after you install the software, you should see this icon here, and then open this icon. First step, login. By default, the username and password are all admin. Click OK. Now you enter the system. It's going to take a while. Okay. Now the first steps, you go to Operate and Location of the service setting. If you see this, the address, MAC address already here, then you are okay. Yeah. Next steps is the configuration. First is the primary configuration. Click here. If you enter this panel, we see that on the first row is the global configuration. The global configuration is just the priority set of the system. By default, you shouldn't touch this configuration. Don't change it. And then it's the host configuration. A few things to mention is the triggering mode. We are at the you should choose the short circuit mode, and charger number is because on the system we connect the DC power charger to the charge over, so the host cannot. In the host, you should see this number to be 0. And then is the number of microphone. On the system we just set up, we have 2 microphones, so this is 2. And if you want to add another microphone, click the right side here and up or down. If you choose 3, the microphone 3 will turn on, and then you could configure the third microphone. But we only have 2, so left it 2. And one final thing is the MAC. Here the MAC is already correct. You don't have to configure it. If you do not see this address, MAC, you should click here and choose it from the panel. Click OK. Close this window and go to Zone amplifier configuration. In here, we are using the izone amplifier, but all the izone are play one audio source, so the zone number is actually 1. And also the triggering mode is short circuit mode. If you do not see the short circuit mode, change it to short circuit mode. Okay, and then is also the MAC. Also, as the host configuration before, if you don't see this address, go to here and choose this one. Click OK. Next is the guide configuration. In here, the main amplifier and channel number is 3, because we have 3 main amplifier, and a standby power amplifier, because we will have 1 backup amplifier channel, so this is 3 and 1. Also the trigger mode is short circuit mode. That's correct. MAC also correct. Okay. After you configure this for listing, you should choose the zone count. We have one izone amplifier and three other channels connected to the DC power charger. So this is 1 plus 3, 4. And the group count, and one thing to mention is to set this number to be exactly 4 if you for the system we just set up. And the group number you could choose from any number that is less than 4, because you only have 4 zones. You could not have 5 groups. You understand that? Okay, after all this configuration, click OK. Yes, and now the setting will be downloaded to the host. Click yes. Okay. After the primary configuration, then is the event configuration. Click here, enter. You see that there is a host short circuit activation. This window, the main thing this window tell you that if one emergency signal go to the first zone, what the system will do is that the zone 1, 2, 3 will play EVAC audio and play it. Let's set it to single circuit. We want to play the EVAC audio over and over again, and the zone number by default is 1. You could choose other setting, like if zone 1 has a short circuit signal, you should choose zone 2. That's not. You could choose zone 1 and zone 2. To play EVAC music, or you can only choose zone 1. It's up to you. Normally we choose zone 1. Click OK, and now it's done for zone 1. Then it's zone 2. What the system will do if it has a short circuit signal in the zone 2. Also, let's only choose zone 2. To play EVAC audio and over again. Click apply. Sure. And then is the zone amplifier and amplifier guide. This is like the host short circuit activation is what the system will do if a short circuit go to zone 1. In here you choose zone amplifier, and just like before, let's choose zone 1 only. Okay. To play EVAC audio over and over again, and zone number is 1. And the guide configuration, the amplifier guide. This is how the amplifier will behave. Right before, if zone 1 has a short circuit signal input, the zone 1 will play EVAC audio over and over again, and the zone number is number 1. And after you choose configure the zone 1, go to zone 2, and let's choose zone 2. Click OK to play EVAC for single circuit mode, and zone number is number 1. Click apply to download it to the host. Okay, that's it.